What's up YouTube, it's your boy Josh McFly. I'm back at you with yet another video. I'm super excited for what I'm about to be unboxing today. I finally got my hands on one of them OG Air Max 1s, the restock. You already know what it is, and we're about to get right into it. Alright, I've been waiting on these all day. Came in the mail. I'm surprised how fast these ones came. Usually it takes a couple days for me to get shoes from the Snkrs app. That over there. Okay. Oh, sweat. Okay. You know, I've been seeing these online the last couple days, you know, people getting them in, but in person, these are freaking amazing. Like, I haven't even opened the box yet, but, you know, I'm not gonna bore you with the box. You know, OG box. Nike Air stamp. Okay. Air Max 1 anniversary. Very dope. Very dope. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, I'm gonna put this one down so I can just review this one. But here we are, Air Max 1 OG red. Let's read the official colorway. Let's see, it's white university red. Okay, white university red. Okay, cool. Yeah, so got the hits of gray on the side with the Nike red Nike Air. Such a classic shoe, you know. Nike Air Max 1 on the tongue right there, and it's in that university red. On the bottom is white and black with the hit of red and up here, and the insole is also red and says Nike Air in white. Such a dope shoe. I was hurt when these originally came out, the first run, because I wasn't able to get my hands on these ones or either of the blue ones, and I just missed out on those ones. And I was just so glad when I heard that these were coming back, because it's such a classic shoe, and it's definitely something that I'll see myself wearing a whole lot. You know, it's just like an everyday shoe, and that's why I really wanted this, you know, celebrating the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 1, which is dope. And yeah, awesome shoe, awesome shoe. Like, quality is on point on these ones. Like, I've heard some people saying that they didn't really dig the quality, but, you know, once again, you got to see it for yourself, you know. And this one is really dope, you know. In hand, like, these materials are amazing, you know. Well, let's get into that on foot. Alright YouTube, let me know if these are hot or not. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you're able to pick these ones up, or if you're just going to wait till next month to try to get the blue ones. They're set to re-release October 12th. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace.